Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome back to the Day 461 Short War Summary. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and support us on Patreon. Link is in the description below. A massive armored wave by the 3rd Armored Brigade in the area of the southern flank of Bakhmut has been able to gain a significant amount of ground today, as we can see here on the video. The Armored Brigade is pushing forward, and we can see that while tanks are sustaining minor damage to their exterior, they're continuing to wipe out Russian fortifications throughout the tree lines. The 3rd Brigade, although meeting heavier Russian resistance in the past week, has been able to continue to make small amounts of gains, especially considering that while reserves have been moved into the area, most of them lack anti-tank equipment or lack the ability to properly fight due to a complete ineptitude of training. We can now see the Ukrainian infantry from the 3rd Brigade dismounting their BMPs as their BMPs continue to lay down covering fire into the tree line. And we can see the Ukrainian infantry also firing their RPGs alongside the BMP's fire to make sure to put the Russians' heads down low. We can now see foxholes of the Russian fortifications being skimmed by the RPGs, and we can now see the Russian squad breaking into the open and routing from the field. More gains of ground for the Ukrainian 3rd Brigade in the southern flank of Bakhmut. Meanwhile, in this clip, we saw a kamikaze bomber of some kind flying over the city of Moscow. Not much is known about who launched these kamikaze aircraft, but there have been multiples, if not dozens of them reported over the Moscow area, with a large amount of them exploding. We can see another one right here. And we can see what their explosive yield looks like in this video. It appears to be quite sizable, at least according to this model of drone that blew up in the field. Of course, the Russians cannot go without saying they had some kind of response, so they tacked together this video of the Pantsir firing at a drone, and then the explosion of the drone after it hit its target. You can see the missile firing right there, and interestingly enough, you'll see that the video is clipped, and you can see that that little cloud of smoke came from the ground.